Lights on, lights off.
On.
Orange, apple.
Apple.
Mango, grapes.
Hello, it's so hard. Both.
But your favorite is mango.
Yeah. But it's like
Pink, brown.
brown.
Oh, why?
I'm not really into pink because
I know your favorite color is green.
yeah, si mama na sa question ra gani no,
Long hair or short hair?
short hair,
Short hair. Straight or curly?
natural hair.
Curly man si Crushy. Si Crushy kay curly man, okay?
Si mama gad
Agay.
tarong gad.
Chocolate or makeup?
Huh?
Chocolate or makeup?
I don't really like chocolate. I don't really into makeup.
Sige, di ka na matagag chocolate ito dong.
Di ba ako nag-chocolate, diba? I don't like chocolate. I like vanilla
How about ice cream cake?
ice cream. I'm into ice cream always.
Ah,
Even though I don't eat breakfast or lunch at school. I eat ice cream.
juice or adi man di kami na mag-juice kani. Guwapo or buotan?
Buotan.
Okay, mamili magkakagwapo.
Hoy, champion si Buotan. First
Kani,
runner-up
kani,
na
kani.
si Bapo.
Basketball player or buotan? Agay. Ano sa man mo ah? Basketball player or volleyball player?
Volleyball player.
We, basketball man to siya.
Basketball no. Volleyball na ko.
Sige.
Ayaw gud abot sa man, abot gud sa ako no.
Si Mama or si Tito Dom?
Boat.
Wow.
Boat na lancha.
Sin-
Dati kay si mama, si karon kam.
How about Lola or Mama?
Oh my god. Lola.
You're so,
Kaingon ka unahon si Lola
Yeah.
si mama.
you know it. How about si, isa, dog or cat?
Cat, of course. I love cat.
How about black or white?
White. I'm not into black.
Roses or gomamela?
Roses.
Plastic flowers or real flowers?
Real flowers.
Really? Baliktad ta. I love plastic flowers.
I love real flowers. That means real love. Even though it dies, at least it is real.
Me, I like plastic because it lasts long.
I don't like plastic friends.
Money or items?
Items.
Ini items. Kwarta imuha or bisan unsa layatag sa imo?
Both.
Ayo ra kasako. I choose kwarta.
I don't care.
I choose kwarta because I can buy
If
the thing
someone
that
gives
I want.
if someone gives me money, it's okay. If someone gives me items, it's okay. At least it gives from heart.
How about rich or poor?
I live in a poor life. Poor.
Poor ay mo gusto nga maasawa.
Oh, it's okay. At least he loves me.
Big house or small house?
Small house. So I sagad. Oh no. It's okay. It's okay if it's small house. At least we love each other.
Unya ka nang ambisyon malikaw pa tag big house.
Sa family man to. Di man ang
family
sa
din.
mag-asawa.
How sige. How about bond paper or art paper?
Huh?
Bond paper or art paper?
Bond paper.
Why?
Because I can put colors.
Describe yourself in one word.
Man. Ay sang na ako.
One.
Ay sang.
10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7.
Dictionary.
Dictionary?
Yes, because tanan na dito. Minsan na ako'y pagka imperfect. Dictionary! Pwede niyo makita na kung definition na tanan did word na dito.
Ako, I will describe you
I'm
as
so dumb.
pretty delicious. Pretty and delicious. Ay, anak.
Sige pa.
Ama na kay sakit.
Si Mama God.